sheets of stickers, one healthy booklet, and a two-sided playing board. The game pieces include star cards, cross cards, a pen injection, a die, and 4 lovely playing pieces. This game can be played by 2 to 4 players. You have to start from the arrow and finish on the golden star. Before starting the game, appoint a doctor this way. Allot each player a number between 1 to 6, roll the die. Person with the number on the die becomes the doctor. To start playing, place the pieces on the start arrow, roll the die, and move your pieces. If you land on a healthy food or habit, you win a star. If you land on junk food or a bad habit, you get a cross card. When you have collected 3 stars, you get an extra chance. While if you get 3 cross cards, you get an injection from the doctor, miss your turn, and say, "I live smart." If the doctor gets 3 cross cards, a new person is appointed as the doctor. The player to reach the golden star first gets 3 extra stars and is the winner.